excited and nervous.
She's so beautiful. She's so pretty as she is, inside and out.
She deserved the best. Si Bright, karon grabe kagwapa ay my gosh. For me, ang love is a choice. Everyone meets by chance. Wala nang gibuhi ay hangtod sa hangtod. Love you.
So first, marriage as a ceremony. Ralph and Charlene, this is a ceremony that is leading you towards a deeper understanding of what? That God is always present sa tanang mga seremonya o ritual sa inyong kinabuhi.
First and foremost, happy anniversary. As always, God really gives us the perfect timing. Sa tanan nga itong naagian, malampasan pero nakaya gyapon nato, no? And amazing kayo kay today kita nagpakasal sa itong 11th anniversary.
Hi dear, babe. 15 years ago, ako isa ka simple na first year student na puno pangandoy. Ug maminyo nga gwapa nga puti, nga tasog ilong, na babae, in short artistahin.
Pwedeng kapuyon, pero dili pwedeng buundang, di ba? Pwedeng mahago, pero dili pwedeng nga mo surrender. And that is the reason why the ceremony of life, Ralph of Charlene, mahuman ang inyong kasal karong adlaw, the ceremonies of loving begins as you also build your Christian family.
I hope and pray na dili ta kapuyon of choosing one another. That you and I would always want us together sa hangtod kay wala naman sa tayo choice.
Pero tungod kay gitadhana ta sa Ginoo, mas kintaghan kay pagsulay nga niabot, nata karon nag-celebrate.
I promise to honor and care for you. I choose you as the person with whom I will spend my life.
And if there's one thing that I really learned sa toang love story, love is a choice. So 11 years ago, we fall in love by chance and stay in love by choice.